Good morning, students. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There is a question of ratio and proportions. The question is like this. If I'll read it out, if A equal to 3B equal to 7C, so find the ratios of A ratio, B ratio. A is to B is to C. A ratio B ratio C. You have to find out 3 ratio. So there are many methods you can solve these questions in such a way. First, I'll let you know the first thing is, if there are 3 things which is equal, then always make it equal. Let's say it is equal to the K. Okay, K is any constant. K is any constant value. If 3's are equal, so then let it be equal to one constant value. It means A is equal to K, 3B also equal to K, and 7C also equal to K. It means A is equal to K, 3B equal to K, and 7C also K. Okay, so A is K, so A की value K. What is the B की value we'll get? 3 and B. 3 will go into division. 3B equal to K by 3. B की value you have got A की values. So C equal to what? K upon 7. 7 goes in division, transposing on right hand side. So A, B, C, you have got the value of A is to B is to C. So A is to B is to C will be A की value. What is the value of A? K is to B. What is the value of B? K by 3. What is the value of C? K by 7. Okay. So if you see, what is the denominator here? 1. Okay, which is hidden, which is not visible. Okay, so something if some number is, what is the denominator here? It can be written as 2 by 1. So denominator is always 1. So take LCM of 137. LCM of 137. It is 21. What is the LCM? 21. Okay, what is the LCM? 21. So first multiply by 21, the ratio becomes multiplying by 21 K upon, okay, 21K. Okay, this is 21 into K by 3 ratio, 21 into K by 7. Okay, what will happen? 21K upon 21K ratio, 3 7 is 21, 7K ratio, 7 3 is 21, 3K. Now divide by K, so ratio become 21 ratio 7 by 3. So A is to B is to C is 21 ratio 7 ratio 3. This is the answer for this question. This is one of the beautiful questions, and you can solve it in such a way, these questions. Thank you very much for watching out the channel. Do like, subscribe, and share the channel. Thank you.